Hi friends, this is Nageshu. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to use Colspan attribute for creating a table in HTML. In my previous tutorial, I have shown how to create a table having equal number of rows and columns. In this, I want to create a table showing now on my desktop which contains 5 rows and unequal number of columns in the table. In the first row, it has only one column which spread out across all the columns in the table. For creating this, open web page with Notepad++. For creating a table, please type table and please add a closing tag for table. In between this, I want to create 5 rows and please add closing tag for rows. For creating border for your table, within the table tag, please type border equal to within the inverted commas. Please select a number which indicates the thickness of boundary. Here I'm selecting 1. After this, in the first row, I want to add the table's main header. Please type th, and here I want to type troubleshooting, and after that please add a closing tag. The top row data need to be centered and cover all the columns. So in the table header tag, please type an attribute called Colspan, which defines the number of columns a shell should span, equal to within the inverted commas. I'm typing 3 because I want to spread this text across the 3 columns. And in the second row, I have headers in each column. So please type th operating system After this, from the third, fourth and fifth rows, we need to add the data in the same process as shown in my previous tutorial on table. After adding the data, please come to File and save the project. Now open the web page. Scroll down. Here I got the table which contains an equal number of columns. In the first row, text is centered and spread out across the 3 columns. And here I want to increase the font size in the first row as compared with the second row. Again, come to the Notepad++, come to first row and please type H2, add closing tag, and after that please save this. Again, come to the web page, please refresh. Like this, we can use Colspan attribute for creating a table in HTML. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.